Hello students, today we are going to discuss about taste and digestion. What is taste? Let us discuss about taste. As you all know that humans have 5 sense organs. One of the sense is sense to taste. How can we recognize the taste of any food item? We can recognize any taste of the food item by our tongue. The taste buds are present in the tongue. The taste buds help us to recognize the food. These are the main 4 taste buds which are present on the tongue. They help us to recognize food. These are the different tastes which we can identify: bitter, sour, salt and sweet. When we eat any food item which we don't know, these taste buds recognize the taste of the food, whether the food is sweet, salt, sour or it is bitter. The information of the taste collected by the brain. Now let us discuss about digestion. The process of breakdown of the food into the smaller pieces is called digestion. The organs which help in the digestion is called the digestive system. This is called the digestive system. This diagram shows about the digestive system which is present in our body. How the food digests and it comes out. Let us learn about that. We take food from the mouth. When we take food from the mouth, when we chew the food, our teeth helps the food to break into some pieces. The food which we take with the mouth will mix with saliva and other digestive juices and pass into the food pipe or esophagus. The food pipe is the way from the mouth to the stomach. The food which comes from the mouth to the food pipe goes into the stomach. In stomach there are so many digestive juices which help the food to digest. The food mixes with the digestive juices and it passes to the large intestine. The large intestine breaks the food into small pieces and the unwanted food passes to the small intestine, and the useful food and water are absorbed by the blood and it passes to the full body. The large intestine, many of the food digest in the large intestine. The small intestine absorb the water from the unwanted waste particles from the large intestine, and it comes out from our body through the excretion. The unwanted waste food comes through the anus out of the body. This is the digestive system. How the food digests? First, it comes from the mouth, it combines with the saliva, and it passes through the esophagus, and it passes to the stomach. Stomach contains the digestive juices which help the food to digest the carbohydrates in the food, and after digesting in the stomach, the food comes to the large intestine. The large intestine digests the food into small particles, and the unwanted waste particles comes from the anus, and the water and minerals or any other healthy particles absorbed by the blood, and it transfers to the whole part of our body. Whereas the small intestine absorb the unwanted waste and excrete out of the body. This is the digestive system. Thank you.